Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look at all these beautiful vegetables I have here. Well, today I'm going to be making Briam. This is a baked vegetable dish. It's from Greece and it's part of my Mediterranean series. This is episode number 3. If you guys are enjoying this series, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Now, I sliced up all my vegetables and I'm adding them to a big bowl with a half a cup of tomato sauce, water, and olive oil, and seasoning this with some fresh garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, and of course some oregano. The smell of this sauce, you guys, is intoxicatingly delicious. You can just imagine how wonderfully this is going to be baked up in the oven. Now you could place these all into your pan or arrange them in a cute little pattern like I did here. It only took about 5 extra minutes. And that is it, you guys. Pour all of that delicious sauce over the top. Cover this pan with some foil. It's going to bake for 45 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then uncover the pan and cook it an additional 45. You guys, this Mediterranean series is really opening my eyes. I'm only on episode 3 and I am blown away by the extremely flavorful yet simple recipes that the Mediterranean brings. It's some of the best dishes I've ever tried. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.